let me show you how to take the frame out really quickly.
Okay.
So go ahead and then get in the habit of unclicking
And loosening.
and loosening.
Got it.
Okay. And
Yeah, it's easier to do it
Yeah.
at that point instead of like, wait, I gotta loosen it up again. On this table or over there?
Just right there on the floor, just as it stands, okay? So undo this guy for me here. Just to the halfway, right? Mark that, right? And then work your finger in where I did, okay? And then pull that flap up this way. There's a flap that'll come up,
Okay.
yeah? Okay,
Ah.
okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come stand on this side of the pack. You're gonna kind of put your feet on the edges. You're gonna like,
Okay,
does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah, because you got a ton of weight in there and stuff. So you're gonna have to give it a little bit of a pop, right? It's gonna work through some of your other gear. That's it.
Right.
So doing that, just before you put it back in, important piece is to remember the orientation, right?
Yep.
So it's gonna follow the same curve as it did in there, but let's just showcase. So just zip up the top. And now if you were to go put that pack on, it probably wouldn't look too dissimilar from 100 miles away. It'll feel very different. And if you need to walk up to the gate, right, you don't walk up to the gate with this out. You walk up to the gate with it in. And if they ask you to take it out, you do what you just did. And then you can show them, like this whole top section is soft. So this pack will crush down almost 3 inches, which brings us to the personal size.
Got it.
So,
Awesome.
and then this guy,
Do they usually have you pull that out, or do you?
it is incredibly rare.
Okay.
Yeah, just give it a pop, push it back in. There you go. And then just fold the flap over. And then, yeah, the important part is to just, try and work that flap as far down into the Velcro as you can, right? There you go. You got it. You're an old pro at this already. Love.
I'm an old man.
There you go. And now you're ready to go.
Sweet. That is awesome.